Hey, it's me. So I look like a hot mess because it's like 110 heat index here. I'm scooching down because I don't have a tripod thing for my GoPro. But this is my situation. I'm gonna show it to you, and I know what it looks like, but I'm being truth in advertising. This is my garage. That's my golf cart. It's hurricane season. I have to figure out a way to get that golf cart in this garage. So, again, back to putting everything on casters. My next idea, hold, my chop saw. I have it on this base that, is movable, convertible and stuff, but you can't fold it up with the saw on it. So my thought was, hold. Can you see it? The light's terrible. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Okay, so I don't know if the light helps at all. But see this base? It is the Gladiator, but it's got little feet. So I just emptied out, so I have more crap everywhere. My next thought was, I went to Lowe's, I got some casters. Put casters on it. And then I got some of the free junk wood in the back of Lowe's, and I thought I'd build up a little bit of base so that, the chop saw would be flat on it. And make myself a rolling chop saw stand. And then maybe I could Facebook Marketplace that, because I have a few things in here that honestly need to go. There's no room for them at the end. And then we're going to be going to North Kakalaka in a couple weeks. I thought I could pawn some of my stuff I get rid of on my poor son-in-law. So, we shall see. Hold that thought. Okay, so now we're going to find out if I have to do a trip back to Lowe's or if this is going to work. Oh no, these are like rusted into place. I think I got WD-40 though. Okay, that one comes off. So we can at least start with one. Okay. Now, it's got all these different I bet you I could have gotten the kind that screws in. Oh man, I didn't even know that. See? Okay, so these fit in. It's 1,000,000 degrees out and the view sucks. So I'm going to take all of these out. Most of them I'll probably have to WD-40. Put the casters on and then we'll flip it up and start building the stand thingy for it. Okay? But yeah, so the 3-inch casters that you can get at Lowe's fit on these Gladiators. So don't spend the money on the kit. You can get it right at Lowe's. You probably can get them on Amazon even cheaper, but when you think up a project at 9 o'clock at night to do when you're one day off, it doesn't work that way. So, okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I built up a nice sturdy frame. It's really pocketed in there good. My next goal is I'm going to add wood here to make it so it's nice and level. And then maybe I'll even put like a piece of plywood right here and a hinge that can fold up, you know, and keep it going. But so my next step is I'm going to get this cleaned up, get the sides put on, and kind of figure out where I'm going to put it in place so we can see if we're really going to fit the golf cart in here. So I'll be back. So should fit in there. Can't wiggle anywhere. It's not, I need to get a little bit right there, but I'm going to put, I think I want to put things here, but at least they'll make so the wood can go out more and I won't have to worry about it. Okay. I hope I look as hot as I am. It is stinking hot. I've spent all day in here. So I think we've got accomplished. You know, I had planned on this just being a, oh, look at me convert a cabinet into a rolling cart for my chop saw, and instead it ended up being a, let's organize the garage kind of day. So I'll show you what I accomplished, because I have to fit the golf cart in here. If we get a hurricane, which I am sure we're going to get, that golf cart needs to be out of the driveway and in the garage. But I need to also be able to function in my garage when there isn't a hurricane. So let me show you. Okay. So now we have this here, and I have a lot of my hand tools. Actually, a lot of stuff that we use in hurricanes, like axes, things like that, are in there, along with safety equipment. Then in there I have a lot of stuff that's for my drill press in that top drawer. And then of course, you know, we built that planer cart. So, and then I have my storage from Gladiator. So it's getting there. A lot of that right there is actually hurricane stuff. We try to keep it right. And then trick I found, which I didn't realize would be such a good trick, palette. So anyhow, thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.